Hi guys, and welcome back to my page. If you're new here, you're welcome. So today I'll be doing blue smoky eye, which is really simple, quick, so that you can do it too. And I've already applied my base, so let's get started. Keep watching so that you can also learn. So I've applied a base on my lids. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the shadow. So here it is. So I've applied a loose powder underneath my eyes to prevent eyeshadow fall off. So I am applying the eyeshadow pigment with my fingers to get more pigmentation, and then I'm going to blend it with a brush. So moving to the further eye, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna take blue pigment on my fingers and then I'm gonna apply it with my fingers to get more pigmentation as much as I can, and then I'm gonna blend it with a brush. I'm gonna smudge out on the outer corners of my eyes. So after applying your eyeshadow, you have to apply the same color underneath your eyes. And then smudge it with a brush. So I'm curling my lashes with a curler. And as you can see, it's done. So now the last step is you have to apply your lashes and you're good to go. I hope you like this look which I've created for you. If you do, please let me know in the comments below. Bye, and thank you for watching.